Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cells on your table in your Canva mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to merge the cell on your Canva mobile for the table. So first, I just insert a table here. Okay, so I just insert a table here. Okay, I just need to merge the 3 cell or 2 cell. So just click on the cell and just drag it. Just drag it like this. First click any cell, then drag it like this. You can see it will be selected. Now you just need to scroll down and you have click on the more option. Now you have option called merge cells. Click on those, the cell has been merged. The same process can be repeated. Just select the cell, click on the merge cell and just select the cell. Just drag it to the cell you just need to merge and click on the merge cell option. Now the cells has been merged. This is the way that you can just easily merge the any 2 or cell or 3 cell on your table in your Canva mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.